Hey guys, welcome to my new YouTube video. If you want to know how to unblock everyone on Roblox at once, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. Firstly, let's open up Roblox and now go to More. You can find this button on the sidebar. On this page you can find a lot of tabs, but we have to go to Settings. In this list, let's select Privacy, click on it. And now we need to scroll down to the very bottom, and here you'll find the list with all your blocked users. And of course you can just unblock everyone this way. Just click on unblock, unblock, unblock. But how to unblock all of them at once? In this case you need to write the following to support. Hello, I don't have the unblock users function working in Roblox. I would like to unblock everyone. Help me please. And after that, you will most likely be able to help with your problem. To write them to tech support, you need to open a browser and type here support Roblox and go to this website. And here's the page where you need to fill all these fields: username, first name, email address, confirm email address, issue details, type of help category, and also describe the problem as I told you. And after that, just click on the continue button right here. So this is how you can easily unblock everyone on Roblox at once. Hope it was helpful. Subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye bye.